In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer TikTok shop balance to Gcash. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what each screen means, and how to complete the withdrawal smoothly. Start by opening the TikTok app on your phone. Once you're on the main feed, head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. From your profile page, look to the top corner and tap the three lines to open the settings and account menu. This brings up the place where TikTok keeps your earnings and financial tools. Next, tap Balance. This is the hub that shows your funds. Here, you'll typically see different sections, including your estimated balance and your live rewards. Estimated balance usually reflects earnings that are still processing or pending. These may not be available to withdraw yet. Live rewards shows your eligible live gifting earnings and is where you'll find the withdrawal option when funds are ready. Now, tap Estimated Balance to review what's pending, then switch to Live Rewards. In Live Rewards, you'll see the Withdraw option. Tap Withdraw to start the cash out process. When TikTok asks you to choose a payout method, select e-wallet and then choose Gcash from the list. If it's your first time, the app may prompt you to link your Gcash account by confirming your details and agreeing to the terms. Just follow the prompts on your screen carefully. Enter or confirm the amount you want to transfer. Pay attention to any minimum or maximum withdrawal limits, as well as any fees or processing times that TikTok displays. Before you finalize, double-check your information to make sure everything is accurate. When you're ready, confirm the withdrawal and wait for the success message. Transfers can be quick, but timing depends on TikTok's processing and the e-wallet. Always refer to the estimate shown in the app. If you don't see Gcash as an option, try updating your TikTok app and make sure your region and account settings support e-wallet payouts. If the withdraw button is unavailable, your funds might still be an estimated balance and not yet eligible. Give it some time and check back. For security, only enter information inside the TikTok app and never share one-time codes with anyone. And that's it. Open TikTok, go to your profile, tap the three lines, choose Balance, review estimated balance, go into Live Rewards, tap Withdraw, pick e-wallet Gcash and follow the prompts. With these steps, your TikTok earnings can move to Gcash quickly and confidently.